come spend your weekend with me in Ilocos. So, this is a joiner's trip. I am with my friends at work, si Ate Estep, Ate Sel, and kasama niya yung sister niya na si Celeste.
Kaya hindi ka makakaiwas dito. Kailangan mo sumama. Yung time, sikat na ako. Kasi mag-i-Ilocos tayo. Tapos ibablog ko siya. Kaso walang manonood. Walang? Manonood. Kayo lang nira ako. Sa YouTube ko. Kayo nga lang dalawa. Hindi na ako nagano'n. Siyempre, panoorin mo to kasi nandito ka. Bida ka dito eh.
So, we are just waiting for our van dito sa Welcome Rotonda. Supposedly, mga 9 p.m. ang call time. Pero wala pa din si Kuya. So, tumambay lang muna kami dito sa labas ng Jollibee.
Time check. Wait. It's 9:53. Wow! Ready? Siya lang naman. Bida ka dito, be. Kasalanan naman na yung ano eh.
Baba? Nasaan pa lang ba tayo? Baba? Akala ko nga kasi ang tagal ng tulog ko eh. Matagal ba yan? Pero feeling ko ang tagal. Tapos feeling ko mga alas 3 na. Magkakasakit ka kasi. Bakit ganyan yung boses natin eh? Siguro kasi alas 12 na. Hi guys, may stopover kami for 30 minutes. Nasa na tayo tayo? Pampanga?
Yeah,
Super layo pa. Ay, bibili lang kami ng water.
time check. 12:31.
Pakita mo yung binili natin, tay. Tubig. Ito pa. Taba, Ron.
Saan ka ba?
Parang siyang ano, chicken skin.
Sabi ko ba nasa sa pero sa gitna kami kasi nasa kanan.
Masaba.
Abang kumakain.
Annyeong! Finally, after 7 hours, nandito na kami sa Bicol. Straight from tulog, bumaba kami agad para maghanap ng CR. Kasi hindi na talaga namin kaya.
Kaya pala nandito pala yung
So, binigyan kami ni Kuya Martin ng 30 minutes to walk around and take pictures. Kaya kahit na namamaga pa yung mga mata namin for the go lang para sa picture.
Outfit check.
Naka 0.5 to ah.
After that, dumaan kami sa souvenir shop and guys, nakabasag ako ng ref magnet. Hindi ko na-videohan pero binayaran ko naman yun. Okay? So, ang mga ref magnets nila dito is 3 for 100. May iba't ibang designs na yun. They also have tote bags and t-shirts. So, marami pang pagpipilian. And then dumiretso na kami sa Hidden Garden. If you are a plantita just like Ate Estep and love flowers, ma-enjoy mo dito. Binigyan kami ng 1 oras yata ng driver namin para makapag-ikot and mag-breakfast na rin. Hindi ko nakuhaan yung food but my order is pork silog yata. I also forgot the price, but considering the portion of their food, it's a fair price and the taste is good.
Picturean ba? Pwede mo siyang ilipat sa mas malaking aso.
So we are in Baluarte Zoo. We availed the package B, the 300 pesos package where you can get to feed the antelope. It was a nice experience.
Dito po ma'am, parekit ka naman na kayo dito po.
Ay.
Parekit ka naman kayo pag-alipag.
Nabigyan mo.
Ano yung number niyo ma'am? Ilan po kaya? Okay ma'am, picture ma'am.
Uy ba? Oh! Ayun na, nakapula siya.
Bilis mo naman kumain. Ikaw.
Ayun pa. Dami na nila.
Isa. Lahat mabibigyan. Ay, ayoko ng ganyan ha. Ito yung antelope pa. Ito yung mga pakakakainin na.
Ayoko.
Wala ka nang bubuka dyan.
Ayun nga kaya na.
Time check.
Kami lang yung nakabi. May dalawa pa kaming kasama. Bye-bye. Girls and golds. Kamukhaan ng ano ko.
No.
Pusa ko.
Kala ko ba yung
yun
isa?
puti. Oo, same lang naman sila. Parang gusto ko magpa-picture. Pero dapat lahat tayo. Nasaan tayo? Nasa Baluarte.
Yes.
Nasa Australia kami guys. Australia, ano? South Wales.
South Wales.
Sandier?
Pinaba kami sa hindi tamang babaan, kuya.
Buti na naka-jacket ako.
Buti na lang may pandong ako. Pandong ba tawag doon, te? Pandong? Hindi, Tagalog yun.
Pandong nga.
Pandong? Bicolano yun.
Pantakip.
Pantakip ako. Buti may pantakip ako. Diba? Hi, baby!
Ayaw niya.
Sakto lang.
Satin natin to. Ay. Wag agaw. Nang babangga.
Hawakan mo lang, ma'am. Huwag kang matakot, ma'am. Kahit hawakan mo pa yung sungay nila. Yung walang sungay, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, yung babae. Tutubo yan, ma'am. Hindi siguro, ma'am. Kasi pagdating ng isang taon, ma'am, magpapalit ulit yan. Yes, ma'am, pero hindi naman siya dumadaloy. I-ano nila sa ma'am, sa puno. Kasi
Ito yung time check ko. Ang 42. Wala na siyang boses.
Ready?
Dapat kasi nakaback ano to.
Paano pala ako? Dito lang.
Walang put naman siya.
Huwag daw itikit yung katawan ha. Ay, wow! Hey, 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 hey. Nakalapit ko wala wala.
Bongga, siya yung pinakamalayo.
Bigger screen. So, wala pa akong ano kahit ano sa mukha talaga. Ano naman? Kasi Hi, good morning. This is day 2 of our Ilocos trip. I was super excited for today because we were going to Blue Lagoon. I prepared so much for this day, but then I got my period. Super malas, right? So on the way to Blue Lagoon, I had really bad cramps and honestly, I thought I wouldn't enjoy it. I wasn't in my usual energy, but good thing there was food. Bumili lang kami ng pugo, lumpia, tapos nakalimutan ko kung ano yung tawag dun sa isa, basta sweet siya and medyo sticky. I really thought I wouldn't enjoy the beach, but I was wrong. I actually had a great time. We took a lot of photos, pero hindi kami naligo because the water pressure was really strong. Grabe guys, nanlalagkit na talaga ako niyan. The wind here was really strong. Tapos yung mga buhangin tumatama siya sa legs namin at ang sakit-sakit niya.
Just two? Ano yung isa? Kakaiba na kami. Lagkit. Kung ano-ano na.
So, ang last stop namin is yung lighthouse. Hindi kami nakapasok sa loob kasi kailangan daw ng tour guide kapag papasok ka. But anyway, dito na lang kami sa labas ng picture-picture. The sunset here was beautiful. One of the best sunset I've ever seen. It was the perfect way to end our day. While walking back to the van, I get a little sentimental. One of my bucket list dreams finally came true. I traveled using my own money. Pure hard work, guys. I used to dream about this back in high school, and now I finally made it happen. I just want to share a quote from the movie we watched last night, The People We Meet on Vacation. The female lead said that the problem with small towns is that once people decide who you are, that's it. That's why she wanted to travel, because when you travel, you get to be who you want to be, not who they say you are. Makes sense, right? And seriously, traveling made me more confident in filming, because when you're on vacation, people really don't care. They don't give a fuck. Most of us are tourists anyway.
Last day na namin.
Ang tao.
Paharap ng business.
Vegan Cathedral ay simbahan. Casa Burgos ang tawag ko dito.
Of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all my care, hoping you sense the love I share. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart. Under skies brushed with a soft blue hue, I see a reflection that feels so true. Every laugh, each silent sigh fills my world with a glow that won't pass by. Every moment feels like a warm
And that's it for our Ilocos trip. Bye!